Ayun, what's up? Meron akong kaibigan dito, fresh from Brazil. So, syempre, binyagan natin ang paborito natin pagkain, balot ng Pilipino.
What?
Oh!
Surprise me, yes.
Okay.
Okay, go, eat it.
Huh?
Yes, show to them. Show to them.
So normally we use salt, idle salt or rock salt, but this one we have coconut salt, so we will use vinegar, okay? So you have to like
Para maganda.
so okay, like this.
Pwede naman yan.
Don't waste the liquid. Don't waste that. Every time you see a liquid, you have to
Itsura! Nakakainit.
You are better now, Jessie. Go.
okay. Here you go. Are you ready? Ready?
Magbabiral
Oh, I don't know. I can see the.
Bumalik ka sa sa BR.
You know the hair? Can you see the hair?
Oh my God.
Describe pa kuya.
See, empty, right?
Put the vinegar.
So,
One shot.
see the-
One shot.
Kainin mo lahat.
See the head, this the eyes, yeah. Go! See, it's a baby.
It was a baby.
You put it here. Yeah,
Kainin mo na.
just gentle. Okay.
Like a rat.
And you pray anyway.
Yellow party.
Just a little. Just a little. Just a little. And Dausha, this one is, don't eat this one.